Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. Today I am going to show you how to open a WinRAR file or a zip file. Here I have a WinRAR file. When I right click on it, I don't have any option to download it, and I don't have either any software that can open it. So let's start. Click on Chrome and open the link that I have given in the description. It will take a few seconds to open. So here you can see we have the software that we have to download first, and then we will install it. Click on download. It will take a few seconds to download as this file is 3.3 MB, a very light software. So now you can see that it is downloaded successfully. Click on show in the folder. Here you can see the setup, and double click on it, and now click on install. Check ISO and JAR file as well. Click on OK. Done. So that's it. We downloaded the software and install it. Now when we right click on it, we can see the options. So click on extract here. So in the bottom you can see we have this image, first image zip.jpg. So here you can see we just extracted this image. So this was the image that was in the rar form. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to show you that how I can again convert this into the rar form. So this is the way you can convert this image to WinRAR form again. So now I'm going to show you the size of the image before converting it. It's 394 kbs, and when I converted it, it's decreases to 371 kb. So you can also decrease the size of the file with the help of this software. Thank you very much. That's it. And like and subscribe my channel. Comment below if you want to know about any software. Thank you very much.